What's up, everyone? Here's the water that's pooling up here from the rain. Just rained recently, so looks like some dark clouds and look like it's trying to clear up there, but I don't know. It may or may not rain later, but you can see it pooling up there. It's kind of a lot of water there. Kind of looks like it's not quite flooding, but it's right near the house, so then I'm going to show you the other water outside. This is going to be on the other side. And here outside we have a significant amount of a lot of water pooling up right there near the shed. It's and near the plants over there. There's some water on the grass as well. I'm not gonna step on the grass. It's gonna get my shoes wet. So, and then there's some water there. You can kind of see it. A lot of rain today. Anyway, that's it.